Hello and welcome to the key differences between management and financial accounting. So the purpose, first of all, management accounting, internal decision making and control, whereas financial accounting is for external reporting for stakeholders. Users, management accounting is used by the managers and internal staff of the organisation, whereas financial accounting is for external users, for example, investors, creditors, regulatory authorities. The focus on management accounting is future oriented. It looks at forecasts and budgets. Financial accounting is all based on the past, so it's past oriented. So it's historical financial performance, what's happened in the past. Reports, management accounting, internal reports like budgets and variance analysis. Financial accounting is financial statements, for example, income statement, balance sheet, also known as statement of financial position. The frequency, management accounting, is prepared when it's needed. It could be daily, it could be weekly, it could be monthly. Financial accounting are prepared periodically, usually annually or 6 monthly and occasionally quarterly. The format, management accounting is flexible, it's tailored to meet the internal needs of the organisation. Financial accounting is a standardized format according to accounting standards, for example, international financial reporting standards. Regulations, management accounting is not legally required, no external regulations. Financial accounting is legally required and it must comply with standards and regulations. The level of detail. Management accounting is highly detailed and specific to departments or activities. Financial accounting is aggregated for the organisation as a whole. The objective for management accounting to assist in planning, control and decision making, and the objective for financial accounting is to provide a true and fair view of the financial position and performance of the business. The time frame, management accounting is real-time or short-term focus. Financial accounting is a long-term historical overview.